Today, to kick off the first logo design tutorial of 2018, I have a stylish logo design for you guys in Adobe Illustrator. What is up people, welcome back to Satori Graphics, the home of graphic design content right here on YouTube. A few days ago I posted an image on Instagram of a logo design and I asked you guys if you wanted to see a tutorial of that style of logo. The resounding response was that yeah, you want to see that kind of logo design in a tutorial. So that's what we're going to do today, learn how to make this stylish logo design in Adobe Illustrator. So if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and give me a follow so you can keep up to date with Satori Graphics on and off of YouTube. The first thing we're going to be doing for our stylish logo design is to make a black background. I like to use a more smoky kind of charcoal black instead of jet black, as it seems more professional in my honest opinion. Once you've made a rectangle for the background, lock it down in place. Press T to locate the type tool and then type out a letter. The font I'm using for today's Illustrator logo design tutorial is on screen right now. I'm using AK as the initials for my stylish logo, and we want to change the colour of one letter so we can see the difference between the two. We want to align them perfectly as we're going to cut out a part of one of the letters and then join them together for our logo design shape. Once you've aligned everything, press P on your keyboard to access the pen tool. If you press enter, the pen tool symbol will be replaced with a cross, and I find this a lot easier to use when I'm making pen tool paths. We want to make a path that will cut out part of one of the letters because we're not going to use it. It's all going to make sense soon when I show you how it's done. I want to cut out the left side of the letter K, so once you've made your path, press V to access the selection tool and hold down Shift to select the letter and the shape. In the Pathfinder window, use the minus front option like so. Bring the other letter to the front and then press A to locate the direct selection tool. You can then tidy up any messy parts of the logo symbol on your stylish logo design. Select both shapes and then merge them together in the Pathfinder window. This will be the lettering of our logo design in today's Illustrator tutorial. With the logo lettering selected, add a gradient here. I've gone for a 3-colour gradient with dark grey at both sides and a very light grey in the middle. The direction is 90 degrees and it's a fairly straightforward simple gradient for this logo design. As you can see, that looks pretty neat, but we can add one more finishing touch to make our logo design look really stylish. But first, use the direct selection tool to tidy up any anomalies on your logo design. We're going to add shading that will really set off the design. So take the pen tool and draw in an area that can act as shading, giving the illusion one part of the logo design is overlaying the other. Use the direct selection tool to make sure the pen tool path is exactly in place on top of your logo design. Copy the color code of the background with Ctrl or Command C and then paste it into the gradient colors on both sides. You then lower the opacity of one side and change the direction of the gradient. This may take some time to get the direction and the blend of the gradient perfect for your stylish logo design, but once you're happy with it, you've completed today's Illustrator tutorial. Now all you need to do is add some logo type of your choice and your logo design's finished. So there was the stylish logo design tutorial in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you all found it useful and you did enjoy today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly graphic design tutorials just like this one. And tomorrow I've got a bonus video that's a Q&A for you guys on this channel. So have a great day wherever you are in the world, and until next time, design your future today. Peace.